Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I've picked up a label maker. So I'm super organized, right? At least I try to be. And one of the things that I want to do for my shop, for my tool cabinets, is label them so other people know what's there. Yes. Just to make life easier for everybody to run out to the garage and grab something, either for themselves or for me. Yeah, label maker. So this one is a Brother PT M95, and it prints 1 or 2 lines of text, uses 4 AAA batteries, not included, and then it's got a bunch of different formats for, design and stuff. I'm going to probably keep mine pretty simple, and there's 210 symbols as well. So there's 9 type styles: normal, bold, outline, shadow, italic, italic bold, italic outlined, italic shadow, or vertical. And yeah, you can get different colors of tape for it. And yeah, it's just, and it's inexpensive. It's like $50 or $60 Canadian. It's got a full keyboard. It's got a nice LCD screen on it. So I'm going to open this up, and we're going to try it out after we find some batteries. So packaging is pretty simple. It's got the 1 layer plastic in the front, so it's visible to the consumer. You don't really need, I wish they wouldn't bother with the plastic. Just give me the cardboard. I don't need all the extra plastic. Oh, and it does come with a 12 millimeter white. Anyway, I think the one that it comes with is shorter, so you'll probably want to order another one when you got the machine, because you're probably going to be labeling everything like crazy. So anyway, let's open this up. We got some instructions here and a quick start. This little yellow one, it's a quick start and show me how to put the label in, so I will do that. We'll start with a small label. Whenever you get stuff like this, even on your remote control and everything else, on calculators sometimes, on stereo equipment, pull this off so it looks good. Okay, pull that off. All right, power supply and tape cassette. So we have to press here. This got the little chevrons on the back. Press that and pop this off. Super easy. You pull this little thing out that's in there. It says don't touch this ribbon here. Okay. We take our cassette, line it up. It actually has like holes here. The holes fit over top. They just slide over, and then you click it in place and it's supposed to click. And then it's locked in place and it doesn't come out. Okay, not easily anyway. Then we'll put in our batteries. Now, put in the batteries like it says. The bottom ones go here. And they go on top of each other. And they change direction. So, like this. So there's 4 in there, like that. Take you with me on my escapades here. Turn it on. Alright, so it's set for large lettering, which is nice. Here we are, caps is down bottom. Rob. Oops. Okay, we got a shift for the comma. Is there a space button? Space. Garage. So I would like this to be bold. So how do I make it bold? So I want it to be large, so let's go to preview. Okay, and that just shows you the whole thing. So let's press FN, whatever that is. So function, language, size, guess we go enter, large, small, large, okay. Enter. So on the large size, and then width. Let's do function, size, width, enter, normal, times 2, or smaller, normal, so let's go times 2, enter. Then style, we're going to go bold, so let's go function, style, enter, normal, bold, outline, shadow, italic, italic plus bold, italic plus outline, italic plus shadow, or vertical. Let's go bold. Enter. And then we can do fancy things. Ooh, hearts and stuff. Function, style, underline frame, enter. I'm going to go down to square. Round, leaf, title, star, heart, square, enter. Alright, let's print it and see what happens. So it's printing. That's neat. Now, after you print it, it's got this little button on the side here. Got to cut it. So you press it, cuts it, and here we are. Rob's Garage Woodworking. Let's see the little ends it has. That's cute. I like it. Now, I really wanted a bigger label than this. But I suppose it'll do. Here's my drawer. Okay. It's got a few things in it. It's got torque wrenches. It's got extensions. Let's see here. Torque wrenches, extensions, and braking bars, and pry bars. So we'll label all that. So I've cleaned off a spot here. The bottom of the drawer. Right. And this should be able to just bend this back a little bit. Take the backing off. Best to put this on nice and neat. Torque wrenches. So this is it. First drawer: torque wrenches, braking bars, extension bars, and pry bars. All there. Second drawer: socket set. Third drawer: nut drivers and automotive picks. Nut drivers and automotive picks. Fourth drawer: stubby wrenches and flare nut wrenches. Alright, fifth drawer is deep Torx, hex, and e-torque sockets. So I have all those in there. And then large 1-inch drive sockets. I got the big boys in here. And then down here I've got my selection of vice grips. Yeah, it's a great little product. I really like it. Yeah, very simple, very easy to use, battery operated, fits in a drawer. Great for things like labeling, say, in your workshop. Or definitely if you're into crafting, this is definitely worth your money. Especially if you've got all these bins with all your craft materials in it. Just label it and make your life easier. Okay, super organized. So yeah, do I like it? Yeah. Did it work great? Yeah, I used it, in 10 minutes I had all this labeled. Okay, and that's the first out of 3, well 4 actually if you include this one, that I will be labeling. Some things don't have a total home yet, so those ones won't get labeled yet. And these stickers are removable. They stick really well, and you can remove them. If you need to, you can use like a razor blade scraper and scrape them off if you need to, and then maybe wash off the little Varsol after. That should work. And yeah, what a great little product. I actually am surprised I didn't ever buy one of these sooner. Anyway, thanks for watching.